Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dell 16 Plus series laptop with AMD Ryzen AI 300 CPU. So friends, the Dell 16 Plus laptop with AMD latest Ryzen AI processor were silently listed on the company website, and this thin laptop has an ice blue aluminum body and giving it a nice look while staying practical at 16.99 mm thickness and 1.83 kg of weight. And inside, the Dell 16 Plus run on the AMD 8-core Ryzen AI 7350 processor, means 50 TOPS NPUs, 8-core and up to 5 GHz, and helped by 16 GB and 32 GB LPDDR5X 7500 MHz memory and 1 TB of SSD. And the 16-inch screen has a 16:10 aspect ratio, means full HD resolution, 300 nits of brightness, and touch support with ComfortView technology. And the backlit keyboard include the numpad and Copilot key are those who really need it. And the Dell 16 Plus pack plenty of ports into the thin frame, and you feel two USB 3.2 slot and support Power Delivery and DisplayPort, and one USB 3.2 Type A port, HDMI and audio jack. And for wireless, it has the MediaTek MT7925 Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth, and for cell 64 watt-hour battery and 65 watt Type C USB charger. Keep your power up all day, and while the power button double as a fingerprint reader. And last but not least, has a 1080p 30 fps full HD camera with dual ear microphone and 2x2.5 watt stereo speakers with Realtek, SoundReal and Dolby Atmos support. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.